where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, and the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where we're meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong.
Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, for the road may wander, it will lead me to you, and 1,000 years will be worth my wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope when I go the distance, and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for a hero's trail is measured by his heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for supporting this cause.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili.
Thank you. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much.
I believe in the impossible. If I reach deep within my heart, overcome every obstacle, won't let this dream fall apart. You see, I strive to be my very best, shine my heart for all to see. Everything is possible when you believe.
I can see it in the stars across the sky. Dreamt 100,000 dreams before, now I finally realize.
You see, I'm waiting on
My life for this moment to arrive, and finally I can see it in the stars across the sky. Dreamt 100,000 dreams before, now I finally realize. You see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally,
like a shooting star, I can go the distance.
I will search the world. I will face its heart.
I don't care how far, I can go the distance
Till I find my hero's welcome
waiting here in your arms.
God bless you.